Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sasriyakal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khambangani to all of you. Welcome to today's session, and today we are doing your favorite series, Sprint Text series, right? For your term one, and the topic we are discussing is polynomials. ठीक है बच्चों? So I am Gopal Paliwal, master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu, and we'll be starting about polynomials. So we have first thing zeros of a polynomial and relationship between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial, which is a very important topic, right? So we'll be solving questions related to those. If you want to go for the theory part, please don't forget to go for the Prodigy series videos, where a playlist has been already made. You can follow those Prodigy series videos to understand the concept, and here we are for practicing the question, right? So this is your schedule right now, guys. You can see from 21 till 30 every day at 6 p.m. I'll be here for your sprint series, right? You can see the topic. So today we are doing polynomials. Tomorrow I'll be going for pair of linear equation in two variables. ठीक है बच्चों? This is a schedule for physics by Anup Sir, schedule for chemistry by Shilpi ma'am, schedule for biology by Maria ma'am, and schedule for SST by Ananya sir, and schedule for English by Shweta ma'am. Right? ठीक है? You can download the notes. Notes will be available to you, and you can download the notes and see the schedule. ठीक है बच्चों, and before I move ahead, please don't forget to like this video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. ठीक है बच्चों, let's first discuss our homework question which I gave you in the previous class. Remember, real numbers में. So if two positive integers a and b are written as a is x cube, y square, b is xy cube, and where x and y are prime numbers, what is the HCF? So if a is x cube, y square, b is xy cube, HCF में beta first thing we'll write the common prime factor. So x is common in both, y is common in both. Then we'll write their minimum power. Minimum power of x is 1 only. Minimum power of y is 2. So it is going to be xy square. Right? HCF will be xy square. So in HCF we take common prime factors with their minimum power. In LCM we take all the prime factors with their maximum power. Right? Now remember guys, you get what you focus on. So focus on what you want. Right? You'll get whatever you want in your life, but you need to be focused for that. Okay? So always focus towards your goal. है ना? Don't focus on the say interruptions. Don't focus on your problems. Focus on your goal. Work towards that. ठीक है बच्चों? Now, first question coming to your way is this. What it's saying? The graph of a polynomial is shown in figure, then the number of its zeros. So guys, what's the concept over here? Concept is very easy. What is that? When we draw the graph, wherever the graph will intersect the x-axis, those will be zeros. So I can see here we have 3 points of intersection with x-axis. So I'll say there exist 3 zeros for this equation. Option A will be your correct answer. Easier, right? Okay? Option A will be your correct answer. Alright, this is your next question now guys. I would like to request all of you that when I show you a question, try to pause the video at that moment and solve the question on your own. In that way, this session, which will be say of half an hour or 40 minutes, it will be a very fruitful session for you all, because you will be practicing 10 most important questions from this particular chapter. And you can say in a way this is a very good way of revision, right? So pause the video when I show you a question, solve the question on your own, and then see the solution. So they are saying if one zero of this polynomial is reciprocal of the other, then the value of k. So but this is the question from relationship between the coefficient and the roots. So we know that if we have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, and equal to 0, and let's say it has two zeros, one is alpha and one is beta, we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, right? What do you want? They are giving that the reciprocal, the roots are 1 0 is reciprocal of the other. So I can say, sir, if 1 0 is alpha, other 0 is 1 by alpha, and if I do the product will be equal to 1, and product can be written as constant term upon a, right? Product can be written as constant term upon a. Constant term over here is k upon a, coefficient of x square is 3. k by 3 is equal to 1, k is equal to 3. Done. Option A will be your correct answer. Easy है, ठीक है. Next question देखो. Lowest value of x square plus 4x plus 2. What will be the lowest value of x square plus 4x plus 2? I think थोड़ा सा ये high level का question है, but let's do that. ठीक है. So if we have a polynomial beta, if we have a polynomial, let's say x square plus 4x plus 2. ठीक है. I think this can be done with a direct formula. ठीक है. We can do this question with the direct formula, and that is x is equal to minus b upon 4a, है ना. हाँ चलो ठीक है, by that formula, but I think they are trying to make it a perfect square. Perfect square बना के solve करना है. ठीक है. All right, कुछ नहीं करना है. Let's try to make it a perfect square. ठीक है बेटा. So if I want to make it a perfect square, I will say x square is already here, 4x is already here. Instead of 2, if I get 4, instead of 2, if I get 4, I can say it is x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. So to get 4, देखो 2 is already here. Let's do one thing, add 2. But if I only add 2, the equation will be unbalanced. So I'll say, sir, subtract 2 as well, so that it is balanced now. So it has become, I can say x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 2. Now this x square plus 4x plus 4 will be equal to x plus 2 whole square minus 2. अब बेटा देखो, minimum value, if I want to say, it is a perfect square, something with square. Now if I put a positive value in this, any positive number square, if I'll do, I'll get my answer as positive. Say 3 square is 9. If I do a negative number square, if I do the square of a negative number as well, say minus 3. Minus 3 square is also 9. So negative number square is also positive only. So the minimum value for say a number square will be 0 when we are doing 0 square, because then in this case we are getting neutral. Negative will never get. Negative we are never getting. Right. So I can say minimum value of x plus 2 will be what? 0, and that will become at x equal to minus 2. So I can say, sir, if it becomes 0 minus 2, so 0 minus 2 is what? Minus 2. So that's going to be the minimum value of this polynomial. How I have done? First I have converted into a perfect square plus something by adding or subtracting something. So perfect square, if I create, it becomes x plus 2 whole square minus 2. X plus 2 whole square minimum value is 0. So 0 minus 2 will be the minimum value of this polynomial, which is minus 2. Alright bacha, ठीक है. Option B will be your correct answer. As simple as that. Okay, let's go for a next question. So this, I would say, is the most important question of today. 5-star question. Minimum value. Okay, next one. The zeros of this polynomial will be, so we just have to split it. So 4x square minus 12x plus 9. I want two numbers such that their addition is minus 12 and two numbers such that their multiplication is 9 4s are 36. What will be those numbers? So if you want the addition to be minus 12 and sub multiplication to be 36, so देखो 9 4s will not work. Minus 6 best. Minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 minus 6. So it will be 4x square minus 6x minus 6x plus 9. We want the zeros now, so make it equal to 0. Polynomial will be made equal to 0. Here take 2x common. You are left with 2x minus 3. Here take minus 3 common. You are again left with 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So you will be left with 2x minus 3 into 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So from both of these, I will say x is equal to 3 by 2 only. Real and equal roots. One more way of doing it will be that, sir, it is nothing but 2x minus 3 whole square. Identity you can apply. It is 2x whole square minus 12x can be written as 2 into 2x into 3 and plus 9 is 3 square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. 2x minus 3 whole square, sorry. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to 3 by 2. ठीक है, easy है, this one was easy. All right, ठीक है, next question देखो ध्यान से सोच समझ के. Alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial 2x square minus 4x plus 5, value of alpha minus beta whole square. This is also an important question है ना, एग्जाम के लिए very important. तो बेटा फर्स्ट थिंग देखना ध्यान से, if we go for let's say splitting the middle term or something, it's going to be we will not be able to get it even if I find the value of alpha and beta. So the values are going to be irrational है ना. B square minus 4ac if you will do 16 minus 4 into 2 into 5, 4 into 2 is 8. अच्छा, तो roots, like if I'll say roots will be say imaginary roots, so it's going to be difficult, you don't know how to do the calculations. All right, okay, so what do we do over here, how do we solve it? Again, main things are we know that alpha plus beta, if are the zeros, alpha plus beta will be minus of b, which is minus 4 by a, which is 4 by 2, which is equal to alpha plus beta is 2, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a, which is 5 by 2. Now you want the value of alpha minus beta whole square, which can be written as alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. ठीक है बेटा, all right. अब बेटा देखो, we have learnt that alpha square plus beta square can be written as what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Just follow the previous sessions guys, you will get to know it है ना. Alpha square plus beta square, all of us know this, can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. If you don't know, देखो याद रखना बेटा, alpha plus beta whole square is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Shift plus 2 alpha beta over there, you'll be getting alpha square plus beta square as alpha plus beta whole square plus 2 alpha beta will become minus 2 alpha beta. ठीक है. So now guys, I know that alpha plus beta is what? 2 square minus 2 times of alpha into beta is 5 by 2 minus 2 times of alpha into beta is 5 by 2. So 2 to 2 got cancelled, here also 2 to 2 got cancelled, you are left with 2 square is 4 minus 5 minus 5. So 4 minus 5 is minus 1 minus 5, which is equal to minus 6, and option D will be your correct answer. ठीक है. All right, one more thing beta, you can also remember that alpha minus beta whole square, if I open the bracket over here, I'll be getting is equal to alpha plus beta whole square, and minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta will become minus 4 alpha beta. So directly also can be done. ठीक है, but I have told you what you. Okay, all right, clear है, pretty easy, right? So this is half of this session guys है ना. Amazing questions we have solved till now, and if you want to say improve your scores, you can definitely join Vedantu's Pro subscription. You get access to unlimited live classes guys once you join the Pro subscription. Unlimited classes, as many classes as you want and you can attend. Students will be from the different parts of the world, so you'll get to know where do you actually stand. Interactive replay, that means you'll be able to see when you're watching the replay of any class, you'll be able to attend the quizzes, you'll be able to see your name in the leaderboard. So watching replay also will be a very effective revision. All right, then you can download the notes which will be in the handwriting of master teachers, quality test assignments all at one place. You don't have to waste your time in going to different places for finding good questions. Everything will be provided to you at one place. Also, all your doubts will be taken care of by the class teachers present in our class. They'll make sure that each and every doubt of yours will be resolved. All right, and you have unlimited micro courses and crash courses to choose from, with the help of which you can study a topic as many times as you want, revise it as many times as you want, and also study it with different master teachers, right? So the link for registration is mentioned in the description box of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. The coupon code is GPE Pro. This will be your coupon code, and this is going to get you 10% off. All right, if you want to register for this course, it's pretty easy, guys. You just have to go to the description box of this video, and here you'll be getting avail all exciting Vedantu courses. Just click on any one of that link. It will redirect you to the page, and you just have to click here on change, click class 10th. All right, here you can choose whatever exam you like. Grade term 1, term 2, IOQM booster crash course, NTSE, foundation, Maharashtra board, anything, term 1 crash course, anything. Once you've taken this course, just go to this description box. Here you can choose the course whichever you like. All right, and register. But just click on buy complete course and you'll be taken to the final page. ठीक है, easy है, easy to register. ठीक है, next question देखते हैं बेटा. Given that alpha and beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial such that alpha plus beta is 24, alpha minus beta is 8, select the quadratic equation polynomial having alpha and beta as its 0. So beta, here all of you know that the formula for that polynomial will be that if a polynomial has alpha and beta as zeros, it can be written as x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. ठीक है, multiplied with k can be any coefficient, any constant term, right? ठीक है, so I need to find out the value of alpha plus beta, which is 24 alpha into beta. So one of the way कि sir alpha into beta निकालना है directly, तो nothing we can do, but if I add these two equation, ठीक है, if I add these two equation, beta will get cancelled. 2 alpha is equal to 24 plus 8 is 32. We'll get alpha is equal to 16. Similarly, put alpha equal to 16 in any of this. Say alpha plus beta is equal to 24. Put alpha as 16 plus beta is equal to 24. We'll get beta as 8. So once we know what is alpha and what is beta, alpha into beta we can say 16 8s, which is equal to 128. So the equation will be x square minus of alpha plus beta is 24 into x plus 128. ठीक है, option B. So this is the form beta which you need to remember. ठीक है, this form is important when the zeros are given and they ask you the equation, ये काम आएगा. All right, ठीक है बच्चों, let's move ahead. Next question. Now we are talking about assertion and reason. ठीक है, assertion, what it is saying, if one zero of a polynomial px, k square plus 4 into x square plus 13x plus 4k is reciprocal of the other, then k is equal to 2. Okay, next. Reason, if x minus alpha is a factor of polynomial p of x, then p of alpha is p of alpha equal to 0, or alpha is a 0 of the polynomial p of x. So देखो बेटा, reason तो I know is correct. Reason is correct. If x minus alpha is factor, 0 will be x equal to alpha, right? This we know. Assertion में देखते हैं बेटा, one root is reciprocal of the other, so I can say one root is alpha, other root is 1 by alpha, and their product should be equal to constant term, which is 4k upon coefficient of x square, which is k square plus 4. This is equal to 1. So we got 4k upon k square plus 4 is equal to 1. Shift it over there, we'll get k square plus 4 is equal to 4k. Shift 4k over there, k square minus 4k plus 4 equal to 0. If you can identify, this is nothing but k minus 2 whole square. And if k minus 2 whole square is equal to 0, I can say, sir, k minus 2 is also equal to 0 and k is equal to 2. Alright, so k is equal to 2. Assertion is also correct. Better tell me one thing. Yeah, I have not used this, what reason is telling, I have not used that to solve this equation. What I have used, actually I have used alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. That's what I have used. So I say, sir, it is not the correct explanation. Although both the statements are correct, but it is not the correct explanation. And I have used something else. Easy. So assertion reason mein first you need to identify whether both the statements are correct or not. If any one of them is false, C or D will be your answer depending upon which is false. If both are correct, then you have to see whether it is the correct explanation. Whether reason is the statement which you have used to prove A. Okay. Now, next one, assertion and reason. One more question. Dekho, assertion first. Px, one whole polynomial is given, is a polynomial of degree 3. Beta, I identified over here. Sir, x raised to the power 4 term is over here. assertion is false. I'm not even reading, I can say assertion is false. D is my correct answer. देख लो, ठीक है. If you will read R, reason highest power of x in the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. Reason is correct, है ना. If one of them is false, other one will definitely be correct. Okay. Now case study based beta, ठीक है. देखो what it is saying. Lavanya throws a ball upward from a rooftop which is 20 meter above the ground. So Lavanya is already at a height of 20 meter above the ground. It will reach a maximum height and then fall back to the ground. The height of the ball from the ground at a time t is h. So height of the ball will vary with the time. So height of the ball you can easily find out at whatever time you want. Just put the value of time in this equation, minus of 4t square plus 16t plus 20. ठीक है, variation of height with time. देखो for example guys, if you will see at time, when time was equal to 0, Lavanya is at this store, the ball is also over here, which is at the height of 20 meter from the ground. Put h equal to 0, put t equal to 0 in this. If you put t equal to 0, I will say sir h will be equal to minus 4 into 0 square plus 16 into 0 plus 20. 0 0 h is equal to 20. देखो, it is correct, height is 20 over here. So this equation is telling that if you put different values of t, it will tell you the where the ball is, at what height the ball is from the ground. Okay, देखो first one, what is the height reached by the ball after 1 second. अब ये तो easy है. Although you might feel कि oh sir, this diagram equation such a big question, but if you'll see, it's a very easy question, है ना. Equation is given to you, h is equal to minus 4t square plus 16t plus 20. This is given to you, right? Height at 1 second, so t equal to 1 you need to prove. So this is like the question of value of a polynomial. So height will be minus 4 into 1 square plus 16 into 1 plus 20, which is minus 4 plus 16 plus 20. Minus 4 plus 16 is 12. 12 plus 20 will be equal to 32 meters. Khatam baat. Option C will be your correct answer. Option C will be your correct answer. ठीक है. Next, how long will the ball take to hit the ground? अब देखो ये question थोड़ा सा you need to understand. How long it is going to take for the ball to hit the ground. So if you will see beta, they have given us h is equal to minus 4t square plus 16t plus 20, where what is h beta? H is height above ground level. ठीक है, height above the ground level. Now I'll say one thing sir, when the ball is hitting the ground, when the ball will hit the ground, at that point I can say sir a height, this h will be equal to 0. In this case, in the previous question time was given, we are finding h. In this case h is given, we have to find out time. So we put h equal to 0 in this. So if I put h equal to 0, I will say sir minus 4t square plus 16t. Achha, we'll do one thing. So we'll say h equal to 0. So 0 is equal to minus 4t square plus 16t plus 20. Shift everything over there. We'll be getting 4t square plus 16t. Sorry, not plus, minus 16t, because that will change the sign, na? And minus 20 equal to 0. So if you take the splitting the middle term, 64 into minus 20, minus 80 you want as the product, and minus 16 you want as the sum. So it's definitely minus 20 and 4. So 4t square minus 20t plus 4t minus 20 equal to 0. Here take 4t common, you'll be left with t minus 5, and here take 4 common, you'll be left with t minus 5 equal to 0. So we'll say its factorization is t minus 5 into 4t plus 4 equal to 0. From here you'll get t is equal to 5. From here you'll get t is equal to minus 1. We know time cannot be negative. That is wrong. t equal to 5 seconds will be your correct answer. The ball will hit the ground. Once she has thrown the ball will hit the ground after 5 seconds. ठीक है बच्चों, ball will hit the ground after 5 seconds. So this is also a very good question because you need to understand what this case study is asking you. ठीक है, so if you are able to solve this question, very nice, बहुत बढ़िया, amazing work. Okay, ठीक है, option C will be your correct answer. So guys, we have done the topic polynomials. Let me give you a homework question. The homework question is, if alpha and beta are zeros of this quadratic polynomial x square minus x minus 4, then tell me the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta in the comment section, right? So I'll wait for your answers, guys. This is your homework question, and the next session will be having tomorrow at the same time, at the same place, Vedantu 9th and 10th English channel, 6 p.m. for pair of linear equations in 2 variables. It's not two variables, it's 2 variables. All right, ठीक है बच्चों, चलो. So thank you so much for joining the session, and also don't forget to subscribe to Vedantu's Pro subscription. GPE Pro is your code. Amazing deal you are getting right now, and definitely guys, it will be a very helpful course for all of you. ठीक है, so thank you so much guys. I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. If you're enjoying the questions which I'm doing, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, let everybody join over here. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.